Hi, welcome to Adam's Shop. It's been a while, but I'm back. Had some inspiration, went for it. I think it's really cool. Here's my first one. Well, no, the first one's over here. Hang on, it's over here. Here's my first one. Wooden pumpkin, carved out of an entire branch, all one piece, except for the stem, that's another branch. Cut it, painted it, it turned out well, so I decided, well, heck, I'll do another one and I'll show you. So what I'm gonna show you today is this guy right here. And I'm gonna show you how I did it by cranking it out on time-lapse video and let you watch it. So I hope you enjoy, and just so you know, I went ahead and I made a ghost too, because he's cool. So enjoy the video and have a great day.